Hey there, Dragons. I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Dalton. Today is October the 28th.
And this is Dragon TV. This week's episode is sponsored by Susie Q's and Gassano's. Susie Q's is one of the best bakeries in Texarkana, located on 67 across from McDonald's. If you have after-school sweet tooth, stop in and grab a treat.
Gassano's has the best Chicago-style pizza in the area, and they even have a trivia night. It's a great place to hang out and eat good.
Thank you, DTV sponsors. Our volleyball season is complete. Here's a recap of senior night.
Great season, girls. Theater has a busy week. They have already performed Charlie and the Chocolate Factory this week to the elementary kids. They have been working very hard this year to give you a great show. Ella went out to give you that story.
My role is Charlie. I've had a lot of fun playing this role so far. I know once we perform it, everyone's gonna love it, and yeah, it's been really fun.
It's about building relationships with other people and how much fun you can have with
people all over the country. Be careful, the guy's just you're leaning too far out.
From my experience working on this play, I mean, I've learned a few things. One I would say is friendships. I've made a lot of new friends, and overall I learned, how to work, better with people.
This is going to be a great show. Showtimes are Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 2 p.m. This month, DTV students have been busy working on horror films. Time for some spooky stories.
Some people say that 20 years ago, in this very school, 2 kids were wandering around and tried to vandalize, but they would never be the same again.
Whoa.
How are we gonna get in?
Take this. You go that way. I'll go this way. What happened? Are you okay? Don't be scared. Come with me. What's happening?
Guard the door. Help me! Help me! Don't be scared. Just come with me.
Could have helped you now.
I was helping.
He's dead. Look at him.
He's not dead.
He's a drain of resources.
What do you mean? Look at him. He can't do anything. It doesn't matter
Even if he's dead, it doesn't matter.
Shut
up!
Great work, Team 1, Emma, Samantha, and Team 2, Jameson, Owen, Keith, and Lawrence.
Let's brag on Court Tittle. He's a Questbridge College Match Scholarship finalist.
You go, dude. Great work pays off. I'm proud of you. Good luck.
You know, Mason Wyndham really showed out at the last pep rally. That drum solo was it, man.
Our band won second place at area to finish off their season. As always, y'all are awesome.
Their program is entitled Shattered.
Dalton, do you know your Halloween movies? What's your favorite?
I'm not really sure I have a favorite, but I did go see Halloween Ends this weekend.
Let's see if y'all know your stuff.
Oh, wait. It's, Friday the 13th.
Saw. I win!
Joel.
Jigsaw. Yeah, Saw.
Oh, Jason.
Dreams. And there's this man. And he's burnt.
The boy in the walls.
No. What are you gonna say?
What's his name? It's not him, is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Freddy
I don't know what
Krueger,
you're
is
talking
it
about.
him? Oh.
Was it really?
Yeah.
And he's burnt.
Nightmare on Elm Street?
Yeah.
The cheerleaders have been selling poinsettias for a while. Take some selling tips from these guys, and don't forget the Accelerate fundraiser is still going on.
From Judah, please buy a poinsettia today. Please buy a poinsettia today, because Judah needs your money. Poinsettia.
I've already bought 2.
That's all for this episode.
Thanks for watching.
It's a great day to be a dragon.